These guys try to literally flood the prison and then get mad when they get cuffed.
This prison sucks.
I think you should put them in solitary.
I want this floor to be eaten off by the time you're done.
You can't even mop because you're in shackles. That looks horrible.
Good behavior leads to good rec time. Bad behavior leads to this.
I woke up for rec and nobody's in here. You know, everybody got in trouble, so I guess I'm just gonna look at pictures and books.
Nolan and I woke up to learn that we're on kitchen duty, which means we had to make food for everybody.
Here we go.
Oh, we get cosmic, bro? Yo, I love prison.